Hello people, welcome to Eagle Leather Trading Co. I am Michael Eagle.
And this is
The Leather Revolution.
Welcome to the channel.
Alright, that's the snap hardware. We can go ahead and set that one. And I'm going with the brad. We'll have to put the straps in place to set these before we glue it. I'm going to go ahead and set this one. You know how to do that, right? It's got a little bitty nipple right there on the end of it. Put that right there in that little hole. Alright, we set that one. Now let's set some straps in place before we glue this. So there's the retention strap. We'll go over like that. We'll put the snap on here once we get the G2C in place. And the back vertical strap, 8 3/4 inches. These click into place so you don't have to set them right away. And see, oh, and it's too close again. So it's actually okay for function, but it's hard to get glue in between those two pieces. So it goes like that, and then it goes over the piece like that. And that's where it is on the template, so I'll have to move that. Okay, stay on there, please and thank you. And you stay on there. This will be the belt loop. Tie down. For me, I like to go down my belt, down to my belt and up under it from the outside. We'll measure that later. Now this one goes backwards from facing me because it goes under and then it lays on your chest. It comes up off of the holster and lays on the front of your chest. Oh, chest. Okay. So this way, which means it's the only one that gets the grain side if you're working from this side. You with me? Yeah, if you're working from this side, it's the only one that you see the grain. If you're working from this side, it's the only one you see the raw underbelly. All right, ready for glue. I guess we could go ahead and set those, right? Let's do that. All right, there they are. This forward vertical gets the slightest tilt. All right, let's put some glue on this. All right, since this liner is a little bit off, my main objective is to make sure that these lines are the best. This is the hardest area to cut once these straps are in place. Because if it's off, you got to cut down in there and then across and smooth that out. So I'm learning. Savvy? So I want to make sure these line up the best. And then I can deal with the rest, like this over here. Let's do the glue. So we're going to put glue in there after all. So that will never get smushed down. We'll put our little Mr. Eagle in there. Man, it's coming up short. That gets rolled anyway, so let's roll a little bit. That'll be easier to cut. Look, and it's going to put it right on the edge. I'm just going to leave that. This one's messed. Just kind of right rubber. Okay, so let's get ready for our shoulder harness. That's the front. This goes around the front of your chest. Oh, wrong side. Well, actually, let's go ahead and sand and glue this.